How to use ClickUp for personal life. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use ClickUp for your personal life. So we're going to head over clickup.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now how we can use our ClickUp account or spaces for our personal life. Basically, you can go ahead and have an agenda for setting up your daily tasks, maybe your weekly task or monthly tasks, and also you can go ahead and use it for organizing everything into your life, because the human being is going to have every day a task that they need to have, maybe some reminders, and you can go ahead and create your own space that is going to be, for example, personal. As you can see, I have here a space called personal goals. I have a list for it and also a board. So I can go ahead and use the list to add different tasks, for example, to buy furniture. I don't know, here have some tags or status names, they call it like that on this list, and we can go ahead and add tasks, some subtasks, whatever that you're going to find here. So I'm going to choose maybe this list. You're going to find this as maybe more simpler. So I can go ahead and add a task, for example, buy groceries, like that. So we can go ahead and have buy groceries. So I don't know if it is going to be written in the correct manner, but I think that it is going to be fine. So you can go ahead and add this. Maybe I can go ahead and have the priority of it, for example, as urgent. And we can go ahead, not use the due date or the signee. We can go ahead and add some tasks, or you can go ahead and have it as a fun, for example, like that, for having the board. Also, you can go ahead and use it for your own meeting by having the calendar. You can add these tasks in a form of meeting, or let's say reminders for this calendar, and here you go. This was only a glance on how you can use it. Of course, there are some other matters or options or usefulness how you can use it within your daily routine or daily life. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.